It's dinner time for the birds in Nokomis. It looks like we are the only game in town this evening because all the birds have arrived here in the backyard. Check out this guy. He is a young stork. So good his fuzzy head. Come on, go ahead and get by. Come on, go for it. And then this guy here is an egret, a great egret. He's got his green mask for mating season already. Those little dark birds out there, they are some kind of duck. They tweet, black-breasted whistling duck, and they do kind of whistle. They don't quack at all. And these little white guys with the pink beaks are Ibis. And what else do we have here? Where's the herons?
A white egret on the fence.
Oh yeah. Snowy. Is he snowy? Yes, that's a snowy egret out there. Look at his beautiful, fluffy... sorry about my phone. Okay, anyway, that's what we're doing here this afternoon in Florida.